This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Monique Allers. Originally a builder's model home until mid-2018. This home offers an open split-bedroom floor plan on an oversized well-groomed corner lot, including a large office that could be converted into fourth bedroom, large kitchen west/a big granite island/breakfast bar, and plenty of beautiful cabinetry and spectacular tile and acacia floors. There's an approx 10 by 12 storage/workshop on skids. The large open patio is a great spot for hosting summertime barbecues. The large open family room overlooking the kitchen and dining room is a great spot for laughter, fun times and cooking. Added features are the surround sound, underground sprinkler system and gorgeous acacia flooring in the bedrooms. The owner's suite bath offers a large tiled shower with/2 seats, dual sinks and walk-in closet.Pride, and ownership shines from the eye-pleasing landscaping to the feeling of comfy home throughout.Walk to the newest GP Elementary campus. Easy access for commuters, close to city parks and our off-leash dog park.Welcome home. For more information